Just a couple more examples here in lesson 10.5. If I have something that has a log, if the variable is inside the log, I need to undo it. If there happen to be any coefficients out front, something like 5 ln of 3x equals 10, I would divide by 5 first to say the ln of 3x equals 2. That idea of isolating the variable is always in play. We always want that variable as simplified as possible before we start doing undo operations. So in this case, there's no coefficient, so I can go ahead and raise both of these things, apply the natural e, which means they're going to become exponents. So I'm looking at e to the ln of 5x is equal to e to the 4th power. Well, e to the ln cancels, so 5x is e to the 4th power. So that means that x is e to the 4th power over 5. When you go to your calculator and take e to the 4th power divided by 5, so to look at how that works, we have e to the 4th power, close your parenthesis, divided by 5. And we end up with 10.9196. So make sure you know how your calculator works. Now in this case, it looks more complicated because we have an inequality. Nothing changes in an inequality except when you multiply or divide by a negative. So I'm going to go ahead. My ln, my x, is packaged inside my natural log function. There's nothing out here, nothing out there. So I'm going to go ahead and raise everything to the e. This side is going to cancel, so I have x minus 1 is greater than e to the negative 2. I can go ahead and add 1 to both sides. So x is greater than e to the negative 2 plus 1. Again, if we go to the calculator, we have e to the negative 2, negative 2 minus 2, and it'll be okay with that. If you don't trust it, go ahead and do it in pieces. And I think I have, let me quick redo that. E to the negative, clear, e to the negative 2, enter. Oh, and it was plus 1, not minus, plus 1, data entry. And I end up with 1 point, always helps when you put the problems in correctly. X must be greater than 1.1353. And so that is the end of lesson 10.5, natural logs and natural number E.